nice warm audience. I love you already. Hope you love me back. So let me start by introducing myself. My name is Neeti Palta and I have a big problem. I have no idea how to be a girl. Seriously, guys, it's not my fault. It's my dad's fault. See, he used to say, son and daughter are the same to me. दोनों बराबर हो. मेरी छोरी छोरों से कम है के? No, that was Amir Khan, right? Which still doesn't explain why I look like Geeta. हंस लो, बहुत लोग बोल चुके. But yeah, man, he actually raised me up to be equal to a boy. So I have no idea what a girl is not supposed to do. So I used to collect stamps, I used to climb trees, I used to pick my own nose. And I didn't know this was not allowed. I didn't know कि ये करने से मेरा लड़की होने का लाइसेंस कैंसिल हो जाएगा. Sorry मैडम, फिर से रिटर्न पेपर देना पड़ेगा. पर मैं लड़की हूँ. नहीं मैडम, थियोरी नहीं चलेगी. एक और बार पेपर अटेम्प्ट कर लो. It's really sad. So I didn't know that women are never supposed to make the first move on a guy. Have you ever done it? Exactly my point. Matlab, I liked a boy. What to do? I asked my friends. Nobody had ever made a move on a guy. Nobody knew what to do. So I said, ठीक है, let me just use a line which I knew was tried and tested. I thought it was fail-proof. I walked up to the boy and said, बोनी का टाइम है, मना मत करना. But yeah, I would have got better with practice. Of course I would. अगर चांस मिलती तब तो. यहाँ तो एक लाइन में ही दुनिया उलट गई. I didn't know how much impact that one move of mine would have on the entire planet. Like suddenly, I had messed with the natural order of things. The sun started rising from the west. 4G actually started working. Sidhu stopped laughing. Himesh Reshamya started acting. नहीं ये last वाला थोड़ा. Sorry. But imagine I made all this happen, and then they say women are not empowered. And the poor boy. You should have seen the look on his face. He would have had the same look you will get if she actually says yes to you. He just looked at me and goes, hey, but why? Did you lose a bet? Did someone challenge you? Am I on some hidden camera? Am I going to be on Sansani? इसमें पाकिस्तान का हाथ है. मतलब for him, this was completely out of syllabus. And then he did to me what we girls do to these guys all the time. He friend-zoned me. Guys, I feel your pain, bro. I feel it. He looks like permanent friend-zone type. Man, मतलब मेरा भी मन किया था कि आपकी तरह दाढ़ी बढ़ा के सैड सॉन्ग्स गाऊं. And on top of that, I got this reputation of being a fast girl. I'm like, poor P.T. Usha, yaar. She though had to run 1,000,000 races to get that title. Apparently, a girl who makes a first move is considered a loose woman. मैं कोई मोशन हूँ क्या? मतलब लूज तो पजामे के इलास्टिक होते हैं यार. Even Gupta auntie started hiding her loser sons from me. You know the kinds वो हंसे तो 2 puppies की death हो जाती है. And on top of that, I was basically treated like a girl who farted in class. Exactly. इसमें से proposal की बू आती है. And then it struck me that in my country, a woman making a first move on a guy is like Donald Trump speaking a complete sentence that makes sense. It's like you holding out the keys of your brand new car to your bebe and saying, I want you to drive it first. Never happens. It's like India losing a match to Bangladesh. That has happened, right? I take it back. But man, मेरे को समझ नहीं आ रहा था कि हो क्या रहा है. And देखो, I have also now taken my learnings from wherever most of India takes their learnings from Bollywood. Even Bollywood has taught us that you should be girls, be like Kajol. Of kuch kuch hota hai. Love the man, but don't you dare make the first move. You must wait for him to make the first move. Even if he does it after 1 marriage, 1 bachcha, 2 facelifts and 12 years. It's really sad. So I was like, maybe this is just in my head. Maybe I should ask somebody who might know a little about it. So I approached Shaadi.com And they told me on their website also, 75% of the times it's the man who's making the first move. Only 25% of the times it's the woman. Suddenly Shaadi.com got all cost driven. We must do something about this. I'm like, nahi, rehne do. Humse nahi ho paega. But after all, ladies, isn't it true? We are just too awkward around rejection. Isn't it true that we are too afraid of rejection, too afraid of judgment? Matlab, wouldn't we rather marry Chadda auntie's ISI छाप वाला nephew? You know, वही engineer है, अच्छी salary है, non-मांगलिक है, सर पे तेल लगाता है तो क्या हुआ? मतलब, why would we? Would we dare to ever make the move on a guy we actually like? फिर चड्डा आंटी के सपनों का क्या होगा? But Shaadi.com was adamant. They said, no, this is something we should talk about. And then they used this line on me that I just couldn't refuse. Pony ka time hai. Thank you so much, people.